Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the Tamil number plate recognition using Python. So let's open the terminal, okay, and run the python space main.py file, and it will open the home page. Let's click on the browse image. So we have to give any input image. Let's select any image and then click on the predict output. So it will recognize the particular Tamil number like TN 10BM 5050. Let's give another input image and click on the predict output. So it will detect the numbers. Okay, so let's give another input image and then click on the predict output like that, TN07AK 5343. We train that particular project on like few dataset of images, okay, like TN72HJ6550. Let's click on the exit button and press yes. So this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.